What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing about question set number 26, and yeah, let me give you some time to pause the video and read the questions. So I think you have read the questions, so let me just explain to you what this means. So this is like the continuation of question number 16 still, and here's the diagram for that question in case you are wondering. And yeah, so from the first question we can see that we have to use the sum operator. So let me go to W3 schools to show you guys my SQL sum function, right? Yeah, so sorry, so this is like a function. So yeah, so here's the syntax for the sum function that we are going to use. And yeah, so I'm going to use Navigator to write my queries. So here are the tables that you are going to use, you are going to be using for this to answer this first question. So you have to find the sum of marks then by Amanda Moses. So you have to join the student table to get this first name and last name. And for the subjects, okay, no, so first term. So yeah, you have to first join some tables. So student exam mark report on student dot primary key of student table is index number, and foreign key of student table in exam student exam mark record is where is it, student index number. So if all is set, you get the following result. And in I join what, okay, so exam term, right? So exam term on exam terms primary key is term ID, and foreign key of exam term table in student exam mark record table is exam term ID. So the query should run without any errors and you should get the following result. And so now you have to specify the where condition. So where the first name of the student is, so student table dot first name should be let me get from this table. So student first name and student dot last name should be Moses, right? So copy it from here and paste it from here. And yeah, you get all the marks of Amanda Moses from the first and the second term. So now you need to specify which term you are gonna get the marks from. So term name should be first term, right? So let me copy this. So and yeah, you get all the marks. Now you need to find the sum of the marks. So sum of these marks. So I'm gonna be renaming this as therapy, and you get all the sum of the marks of Amanda Moses in the first term test. So that answers the first question successfully. Now when we look at the second question, you have to find the sum of the marks obtained by Nisansala Vikramanaika, a student studying in class. Okay, a class has been given, so you need to find you need to join or join the class table also. So in a join class on primary key of the class table is class ID, and foreign key of the class table is located inside the student table, so which is class underscore class id, and let me put an asterisk. Okay, oh, sorry, my bad. And yeah, still we have got the Moses, so let me replace this with Sansala Vikramanayaka. Sansala Vikramanayaka. And this should be second term, right? Hopefully I don't make any typing errors. So yeah, you get all the marks of Sansala Vikramanayaka in the second term, right? Yeah, it's the second term. So you need to now get okay. So this a student like there can be like 2 or 3 students names, all name Nisansala Vikramanayaka. So you need to specify which class she is in. So I also states a condition where I need to find the marks of Nisansala Vikramanayaka in this class 11b. So let me run this, and yeah, you get no but it is better to, because the question also suggests that you have to get information from this class only. So yeah, now we need to find the sum, right? Sum of marks is terrible. It's terrible. Okay, and yeah, you get the sum of the marks of Nisansala Vikramanayaka in the second term for all the subjects, right? Yeah, all the subjects. Okay, that answers the second question. The third question suggests that you need to find the sum of the marks obtained by Sajitra Vikram Singh. Okay, the index number has been given, so you can search by only this. You don't need to search by first name and last name in mathematics and science. Okay, let me copy. Okay, sorry. Okay, so let me copy this and this to run, make sure everything runs, and where, so you can get the both tables of student exam mark table, what have this index number. So the index number should be this, right? 003. Okay, let me run this query to make sure that there are no any errors. Okay, no errors. So yeah, you get all the marks of Sajitra Vikram Singh in first term and second term for all the subjects. So the exam term should be first term, right? Term 1 should be first term. And yeah, you get all the marks of the Sajitra Vikram Singh in first term. So yeah, and you need to find these subjects. So when you are selecting multiple subjects, so you have to use the in keyword for this and select mathematics. Okay, mathematics and science, right? Mathematics and science. So let me go to subject and copy mathematics. Copy mathematics and science, right? So this query won't work because we haven't joined the class table, not join the subject table, so we have to quickly join the subject table also. On subject tables, primary key is subject id, and foreign key of the subject table located within the student exam mark record is subject underscore id. So yeah, to get the marks. So you get only the marks of mathematics and science subjects of Sajitra Vikrama Singha in first term. And yeah, so okay, so now you need to get the sum. So now you have to do is the sum as now you get the sum. And yeah, that answers the third question. And the fourth question suggests that you need to find the sum of the marks obtained by all the students in class 11B in the subject of mathematics and in the second term examination. Okay, let me copy this. Sum of marks obtained by, okay, let me cut here, select all from. So these are all the student records where class should be 11B, right? 11B. So let me run this. So the class is 11B, and subject name should be mathematics. Subject name should be it's, let me run this. Okay, and so class should be 11B, subject should be mathematics, and this should be second term, right? And exam term dot term name should be second term, right? Yeah, so you get the second term marks of mathematics of 11B students who are in 11B. So there are like 4 students in 11B, and now you need to get the sum, right? Sum of the sum. Okay, you need to get the sum. So I will copy paste this, and you get this mark. Okay, I think I have completed these questions successfully. So thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you again next time. Peace.